Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 14 Pro Max, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, simply hold power key and volume up at the same time. Or it looks like just a press, so press both of them and it captures a screenshot, gives you an audible sound for it. Now once this is done, you can find your screenshot in your Photos application. So let me just open that up. And it will be visible on the library and the most recent photo, or hopefully it also could be located in your albums. See all. Oh, there we go. Screenshots. So it's below. You can find it, and this will contain only the screenshots that I have captured over the time. So there we go. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.